everyone. My name is Shivi Bajpayee. I hope you all are doing well. Okay. And I think everyone is happy and everyone is safe. So, as you all know, I have a channel named A Dam of a Treasure Trove. So, in that channel, I upload all the videos about the poems, all the videos on the poems and the stories taken from the book Treasure Trove. So, you can watch the videos. Now, for today, I'll explain you the poem that is I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. It's written by Maya Angelou. Maya Angelou is a powerful feminist writer of Afro-American ethnicity. She is a widely acclaimed author, poet, and civil rights activist who worked closely with Martin Luther King Jr. and Malcolm X. So, it's written by Maya Angelou. And now I will explain you the summary of this poem in Hindi as well as in English. So, in this poem, we get to know about the struggles faced by the caged bird and the freedom that the free bird has. The caged bird is referred to as African American people, and the black race people, and the free bird is referred to as white race people, and you can say the Americans, the foreigners. तो मतलब इस पोएम में हमें बताया जाएगा कि क्या क्या स्ट्रगल्स जो अफ्रीकन्स होते हैं उनको फेस करने पड़ते हैं, और उसी जगह वो सारी चीज़ें इतनी ज़्यादा आसानी से उन फॉरेनर्स को, उन अमेरिकन्स को मिल जाती हैं जो हमेशा अफ्रीकन्स को नीचा दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं, उन्हें सरपास करते हैं, उन्हें हमेशा नीचा दिखाते हैं. मतलब ये चीज डायरेक्टली नहीं बोली है पोएटिस ने, उन्होंने इस चीज को एक फ्री बर्ड और एक केज्ड बर्ड के साथ कंपेयर किया है ताकि हमें और अच्छे से समझ आए. मतलब इसका आउटर मीनिंग ये है कि जो केज्ड बर्ड है उसके क्या स्ट्रगल्स हैं और जो फ्री बर्ड है उसे क्या फ्रीडम मिलती है. बट रियलिटी में जो मतलब रियलिटी में मतलब इस पोएम के जरिए जो पोएट है वो बताना चाहते हैं कि वाइट रेस पीपल जो होते हैं उनको कितनी आसानी से हर चीज़ मिल जाती है, और जो ब्लैक रेस पीपल होते हैं उन्हें कितना ज़्यादा सफ़र करना पड़ता है हर एक छोटी छोटी चीज़ के लिए. क्योंकि इसलिए नहीं कि वो उसके काबिल नहीं है, इसलिए क्योंकि हमेशा वाइट रेस पीपल उन्हें सरपास करते हैं, उन्हें नीचा दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं, इसलिए उन्हें कोई चीज़ आसानी से नहीं मिल पाती है. तो नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द पोएम. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Okay. A free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends, and dips his wings in the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. जो free bird है, leaps means flies. Firstly, mark down the words. I'm telling you the meaning, then I'll explain you the stanza. Leaps means flies. Back of the wind means from the ground, in the direction of, and floats downstream in the direction of the air current. Dips means opens. Orange sun rays means free and lively atmosphere. Okay. So now, a free bird leaps. A free bird flies from the ground in the direction of the air current and opens his wings. Dips his wings means opens his wings in the free and the lively atmosphere and flies like the whole sky belongs to him. तो इस तरह से फ्लाई करता है कि उसे लगता है कि पूरी स्काई बस उसी की है, वही उस स्काई का राजा है और उसे इतनी आजादी है कि उसे जहां जाने का मन करे वहां जा सकते हैं। Orange symbolizes free and blue. Free bird symbolizes the white race people who have surpassed the African Americans, means who have surpassed the black people. तो इस स्टैंजा में हमने देखा कि जो फ्री बर्ड है उसको इतनी आज़ादी है कि वो क्राउन से उड़कर एयर करंट के डायरेक्शन में कहीं पे भी उड़कर जा सकती है स्काई में, मतलब पूरी स्काई बस उसी की है। और इतने खुले वातावरण में इतनी पूरा आसमान उसको लगता है बस उसी का है, मतलब इतनी ज्यादा आजादी है वाइट, मतलब थी वाइट रेस पीपल को। अब तो इक्वालिटी हो गई, अब नहीं है इतना ज्यादा डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, पहले था। तो वो लोग कहीं पे भी जा सकते थे, कुछ भी कर सकते थे जो उनका मन करता था। और उसी जगह जो अफ्रीकन्स थे उनको बहुत से स्ट्रगल्स फेस करने पड़े थे अपनी फ्रीडम के लिए। Now come to the second stanza. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom means rarely, see through his bars of cage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied. So he opens his throat to sing. Narrow cage refers to the restrictions imposed on the caged bird, and the restrictions imposed on the caged bird, and the restrictions means it's referred to as the restrictions imposed on the black people. This stanza, the caged bird, she only stalks down his narrow cage. She can only see through his narrow cage, and that is seldom, means वो कभी ही अपने केज से बाहर देख सकती है, अपनी बार्स ऑफ रेज के बाहर देख सकती है। उसके विंग्स जो है वो क्लिप्ड है, उसके फीट जो है वो टाइड है। उसके विंग्स क्लिप्ड, इट्स इमेजिनरी, मतलब वो इसलिए बोला जा रहा है क्योंकि जो केज है उसमें वो अंदर है, तो ना वो बाहर जा सकती है, ना वो उड़ सकती है, ना वो चल सकती है। तो इसलिए बोला गया है कि उसके विंग्स जो है वो क्लिप्ड है, his wings are clipped and his feet are tied. इसीलिए वो जो बर्ड है वो सिंग करती है अपनी फ्रीडम के लिए, मतलब ना वो चल सकती है, ना वो कुछ उड़ सकती है कि सब बता सके, इसलिए वो bird used its singing as a means of his expressions, ताकि वो अपना दर्द दुख सब फिजिकल पेन जिससे वो गुजर रही है वो सबको बता सके। मतलब जो सारे स्ट्रगल्स अफ्रीकन्स ने देखे उसको कंपेयर किया गया है फ्री बर्ड के स्ट्रगल से, सॉरी केज्ड बर्ड के स्ट्रगल से। मतलब जितने भी स्ट्रगल्स अफ्रीकन्स ने देखे उसे कंपेयर किया गया है केज्ड बर्ड के स्ट्रगल्स, क्योंकि वो भी बंदी थे अमेरिकन्स के, और केज्ड बर्ड भी बंदी है, इसलिए उन दोनों को कंपेयर करा गया। The caged bird sings with fearful thrill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hills, for the caged bird sings of freedom. The caged bird, black people से refer किया गया है, is referred to as the black race people. She sings with the fear and nervousness. With a voice, she has a voice of she has a voice filled with fear and nervousness. The things unknown is the freedom. She's singing for the things unknown. She's singing for the freedom. And her voice is heard far away. And she keeps on singing for getting the freedom. The struggle of the caged bird is parallel to the African American struggle for freedom and equality. African American wrote, sang, and danced and cried out for freedom. The free bird thinks of another breeze, and the trade winds soft through the shine trees, and the fat worms waiting on a dawn bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. The free bird is free, but he wants more freedom. He wants more freedom. He wants strong winds, sound of the leaves, the small insects, they want to hear the sound of the leaves made by the tree. The small insects are lying down on the bright sunny lawn, which could be eaten. It appears as if the bird had named the sky his own, as नो अदर बर्ड इज टू कॉन्टेस्ट. ऐसा लगता है कि जो बर्ड है, जो फ्री बर्ड है, उसने उस स्काई को अपना ही कर लिया हो, और उसे लगता है कि कोई दूसरा नहीं है, कोई दूसरी बर्ड नहीं है जो उससे कंपीट कर सके. मतलब पूरी स्काई उसी की है, वो ही उस पूरी स्काई का राजा है, उसी का, मतलब उसकी ही मर्जी से सब कुछ होगा. This stanza signifies how every opportunity was available to the white race people. In contrast, how African Americans were never given freedom to choose what they want. मतलब इस स्टैंजा में हमें पता चलता है कि कैसे हर एक चीज व्हाइट रेस पीपल को इतनी ज्यादा आसानी से मिल जाती थी, और उसी जगह जो अफ्रीकन्स थे उन्हें इतना स्ट्रगल फेस करना पड़ता था, इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करनी पड़ती थी हर एक चीज में, कि हमेशा जो व्हाइट रेस पीपल थे उन्हें सरपास करते थे, उन्हें वो चीजें इतनी आसानी से नहीं मिलती थी. But a caged bird stands on the grave of dreams. The shadow shouts on a nightmare scream. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied. So he opens his throat to sing. Caged bird, but the caged bird stands on the grave of dreams. Grave of dreams मतलब she's standing on the cage. Cage वो जगह जहाँ उसके हर सपने खत्म हो जाते हैं. वो जगह को ग्रेव कहा गया है. कब्र, वो अपने सपनों की कब्र पर खड़ी है, जहाँ उसका हर सपना खत्म हो जाता है देखने से पहले ही. The bird is shouting for freedom. Someone cry for nightmare means bad dream. He is not able to fly, not able to walk, as his wings are clipped and his feet are tied. Then he opens his throat to sing. As he cannot walk, he cannot sing, so he opens his throat to sing. As she wants to express her physical pain she is going through. The caged bird sings. The third stanza is repeated. Means the third and the last stanzas are same. I'm explaining you again. The caged bird sings with a fearful thrill of things unknown, but longed for still, and a stillness heard On a distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom. Uh, the caged bird sings. The caged bird sings with the. It means his voice is filled with the feeling, filled with fear and nervousness, but longed for still. The things unknown is freedom that she is wanting. Sorry, that he is wanting. He wants to get freedom. उसकी जो आवाज है and his tune is heard and his voice is heard on far away. For the caged bird sings of freedom, and he sings of freedom. He wants to get freedom. So, in the poem, we got to know about the struggles faced by the black people, and that is equivalent, that is parallel to the struggles faced by the caged bird, and the freedom that the free bird has and the free bird had and the white race people had. So I hope you all understood this poem. I tried to give my best to explain you this poem. If you have any query, comment down below, and if you like the video, do subscribe it and like it. Thank you so much thank you so much, and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.